Convert AVI to WMV. Changing AVI files to WMV files with a free converter. You have lots of AVI files and want to turn them into WMV files. I'll show how to do this using freeware software in a few easy steps. Here's how to convert AVI to WMV. First, download Prism Video File Converter. It's a freeware software to convert multiple kinds of video files. Here you can find a free AVI to WMV converter. You can click the following link to start the setup. Install the software. If you want, install the other features also, but for this task just the video converter is needed. Open Prism Video Converter. On the upper left corner, you'll see a plus symbol for Add File. Click on this Add File. Now open the AVI file you want to convert. On the left bottom corner is written Output Format. Choose WMV to convert your file into a WMV file. Click Browse. Now choose the folder where you want to save your WMV file. Click Convert, on the right bottom corner. If the program says that you need a codec, say yes, it will download and take just a few moments. The conversion will start. Wait. The conversion may take several minutes, depending on the size of the file. After that, the WMV file is ready for you to watch or burn. But be aware that the conversion usually takes quality from the AVI file. If you want to convert AVI to DVD directly, you can use another type of video file converter. Enjoy this very easy way to convert AVI files into WMV files. Useful links. Download Prism Video Converter.